In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to use Notion to organize your day with time blocking and stay productive. Time blocking is a simple way to plan your day by assigning each hour a specific task, so you always know what to focus on next. Let's build a clean, flexible time blocking page together inside Notion. Start by opening Notion. So in your browser and logging in. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left sidebar and click the New Page button. A blank page opens. Give it a clear name like time blocking so you can find it easily later. Click into the empty page and type /table, then choose Table, Inline. This gives you a lightweight table right on your page, perfect for a daily schedule. At the top, rename your columns so they make sense at a glance. Create one for time or hour, another for task or activity, and if you like, add a third called Priority. Priority is optional, but it's handy when you want to highlight what must get done today. Now start filling in your day. For example, in the time column, enter 8 a.m. and in task, type morning routine. Next, add 9 a.m. with emails, 10 a.m. with work session 1, and 12 p.m. with lunch break. Keep adding rows for each time slot you plan to use. You can break your day into 30-minute or 60-minute blocks, depending on how detailed you want to be. Try grouping similar work together to reduce context switching and leave small buffers between deep work sessions so you can reset and review. To make important tasks stand out, use quick visual cues. Type /callout to create a highlighted callout above or below your table with your top 3 priorities, or select text in the task column and change the color to signal urgency. Consistent color choices make scanning your schedule much easier. When your table is filled, take a moment to review the flow of your day. Check that your most focused work is scheduled when you have the most energy, put meetings or admin tasks in lighter parts of the day, and confirm breaks are spaced out to help you recharge. As you work through the day, treat your blocks as appointments with yourself, but don't be afraid to adjust if something runs long or finishes early. Finally, make this a daily habit. Review your time blocks each morning, adjust as needed, and refine tomorrow based on what you learned today. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready to use.